How to set battery protection to stop charging at 80%, 85%, 90%, or 95% on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Device Care. So you will see Device Care is here. So click on Device Care. Now here, so scroll down and click on battery. So after click on battery, click on battery protection. So after click on battery protection, click on maximum. So after click on maximum, you will see 80%, 85%, 90%, 95% is here. So if you want to set, so click on, if you want to set 85%, so click on 85%. So if you want to set 95%, so click on 95%. So if you want to set 90%, so click on 90%. So if you want to set 80%, so click on 80%. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can set battery protection to stop charging at 80%, 85%, 90%, 95% on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.